Hello, it's Grandma back again, and we're going to do story time again. This will be so much fun. So today we're going to talk about fire engines. Here's the little fire engine book. We're going to read it. And look who's in the fire engine. It's Mr. Fireman Small. And he has his little dog, Little Tinker. So let's read the book. The Little Fire Engine. Fireman Small has a little fire engine. He keeps it in the firehouse. I see Tinker the little dog. He's in the fire truck. Fireman Small sleeps upstairs. Ding, 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 ding. Goes the fire alarm bell. A house is on fire. He jumps out of bed quickly. Jump out of bed, Mr. Fireman Small. Fireman Small puts on his helmet and his rubber coat. The other firemen come running. Run, 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 run. Tinker the fire dog comes running too. There's Tinker. Run, 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 little Tinker dog. The little fire engine rushes to the fire. Can you see it? There's the fire engine. Nang, 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 goes the bell. Ooh-wee, 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 goes the siren. Cars pull over to the curb to let the little fire engine pass. There goes the fire engine. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. There he goes. The little fire engine comes to Church and Summer Streets. The corner house is on fire. Uh-oh. The house is on fire. Smoke is coming out of the doors and windows. Uh-oh. The little fire engine pulls up beside the hydrant. Where's Tinker? Where's Tinker the dog? Is he in the fire truck? There he is with Mr. Fireman Small. Good dog, dog. The firemen unload the hose from the truck. Go inside the house. Find out where the fire is. There's the hose and Mr. Fireman Small. The fire is around the chimney. Hurry! Fireman Small and his men take the hose to the kitchen. Oh boy, they're going to squirt out the fire with their hose. Oh, look, a little girl is standing by the upstairs window, and she has a kitten in her arms. Mama, she calls. Stay right where you are, says Fireman Small. Fireman Small is coming. Look at the fire. And the little girl with her kitty cat. And what does the kitty say? Meow, 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 meow. Get the ladder, orders Fireman Small. The firemen run and bring the ladder. Hurry, hurry. There's the ladder. Go up, 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 up the ladder. Go get the little girl and her kitty. Meow. Fireman Small climbs up the ladder. He lifts the little girl and her kitten out of the window. And he carries her down. Hooray, shout the people. Hooray, they got the little girl and her kitty. Right there's Kitty, meow. And all the people are saying, hooray, hooray. They saved the little girl and her kitty. The firemen take the hose up the ladder. Fireman Small squirts the water. Shh. The smoke dies down. White clouds of steam rise up, and the flames die down. The fire is out, says Fireman Small. Turn off the water. Yay, the fire is out. Who's in that fire truck? I see Tinker, the little dog. Woof, woof. Let's go, says Fireman Small. He drives slowly back to the firehouse. There he is in his fire truck. Good job, Fireman Small. And that's all about Fireman Small. Say bye-bye, Fireman Small. Bye-bye. That's the end of that book. But Grandma has another book. This book is a very big, big book. Look how big it is. It's almost as big as Grandma. But we're going to tell you another story about the firemen. In the autumn, the leaves fall from the trees. Do you see the leaves falling down? Do, 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 do. Yep. And here on this side, we see the apple orchard. See all the apples up in the tree? Farmer Fox is picking juicy red apples. And boink, one falls on this guy's head. That's so silly. I see an apple coming down from the tree. Mother Fox sells the harvest foods at her roadside stand. There she is. She's selling some apples, and she's selling some nuts, and a pumpkin. Wow. Just a minute. Look there. Do you see what I see? Oh, a fire. It has reached Farmer Fox's ladder. Uh-oh. Do you see the fire? It's in the leaves. It's hot. It's very hot. We need to put it out. Hurry, Mrs. Fox. Call the fireman. See, here comes another fire truck coming down to put out the fire. Before Mother Fox can hang up the phone, the firemen come racing to the rescue. Good job, firemen. Here they come. Smokey the fireman turns on the water too soon and the hose wiggles and squirms out of control. Water goes everywhere. Uh-oh. They need to put out the fire. See the fire? Oh, it's such a big book. The force of the water is knocking apples off the tree. Uh-oh. The apples are coming off of the tree. Someone, please grab the hose. Grab it. Huckle finally gets hold of it and puts out the fire. Good job, Huckle. He puts out the fire. Farmer Fox's roadside stand is not going to burn down. Hooray! Water can put out fires because it keeps air away from them. Fires can't burn without air. So good job of squirting it with the water. Farmer Fox gives everyone a taffy apple to eat. Taffy apples are so good. There we go. That was a good story about putting out a fire. Now what does Grandma have? Grandma has an apple, just like in the storybook. Do you like apples? Here's one apple. What else does Grandma have? 2 apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, and another apple. Can you count the apples? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. Yum, yum, yum. Do you like apples? Grandma likes apples. Should Grandma eat the apple? Should Grandma eat it? Yes. I'll take a bite. Apples are yummy. If Grandma was with you, I would give you some apples. But maybe your mommy and daddy have an apple and you can eat it. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to sing a song. Do you have your musical instruments? You can shake your musical instruments like this. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, let's sing. Sing, little children, sing, sing. Sing, little children, sing. God is good, He cares for us. Sing, little children, sing. Can you sing with Grandma? Let's sing. Sing, little children, sing, sing. Sing, little children, sing. God is good, He cares for us. Sing, little children, sing. All right. Grandma has one more thing to show you. It's something big and red. Let me go get it. It's the fire truck. See a fire truck coming down the street. And there's a noisy siren blaring on that truck. Yay! Here's the big fire truck. Now we have someone who wants to ride on the fire truck. Her name is Raggedy Ann. Hello, I'm Raggedy Ann. I'm going to drive one fire truck. Boom, 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 boom. Hold on, Raggedy Ann. Hold on. Okay, I'm holding on. Let's go.
I see a fire truck, a big red sign fire truck. I see a fire truck coming down the street.
And there's a noisy siren blaring on that truck. Yay! Good job! That was fun! I like riding on the fire truck. Well, thank you for listening to our stories about fire trucks. Grandma loves you very, very much. Bye-bye.